Hi guys, so I finally decided to do some tests on my printer, which I think I should have done it when I got it, but I was too excited so I just started to print some stuff directly until I got problems like this, where you get your filament strings off. So it was a drawback for me. So I finally decided to do some test. And yesterday I performed my first test, and this test is known as retraction test. So this is the I got a model from Thingiverse, and this is a result of my default settings. It's actually a block, and this is nowhere near to the model. I don't know why. But then I was shocked when I changed. Like, I just changed two settings actually. The first was retraction speed, which I set to 50, and the other thing was retraction length, which was by default 5, and I changed it to 3, I guess. Yeah. So I got, see, this result, and now these parts are same, and you can see the difference. So there are still some strings in the inside, but I think this is due to cooling effect. uh, I think the area cools off quickly, I guess. So I'm running one more test behind me in the printer. I changed one more setting for it, and I'll test it out how it works. So yeah, just wanted to update you guys about about my 3D printing experience. I'm currently documenting my experience on my YouTube channel, so I wanted to share it with you guys.